Hi everyone, this is Yusha. Today I'll be doing a get ready with me video on how to achieve this look. First, I'm gonna apply sunscreen. I am using the Tatcha sunscreen with SPF 35. What I like about the sunscreen is that it doesn't leave a heavy finish, nor does it make my skin oily. I also think it helps brighten up any dark complexion. Next, I'm going to apply the Tatcha Seal Canvas Primer. This is a spatula that comes with a primer. I use this to scoop up the product and then press it into my skin, starting with my cheeks where I have the most pores, then onto my T-zone. Not only is this the first step to my makeup routine, but it's also the last step of my skincare routine. After applying all of my skincare products, I use this Tatcha primer to seal in all the moisture, while creating a protective layer from the outside environment. And to make my skin look extra glowy, I'm going to use the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. However, this is totally an extra step. You do not have to do this as you have already applied a primer beforehand. To even out my skin tone, Laura Mercier's Tinted Moisturizer in Illuminating is my go-to. It says to hydrate the skin with a luminous radiant glow, which is what I want. I use the color Bare Radiance and it looks extremely natural on my skin. I'm just going to use my fingers and apply it like this, all over my face, like I'm applying a moisturizer. Oh yeah, don't forget the neck. For a more natural look, I like to go in with my favorite concealer, the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Concealer. I'm using the color Light, and I'm only putting the products on the areas that need the most coverage, such as my under eye, my chin, and the side of my nose. Then I blend the product out while putting the excess on the rest of my face. Also, because it's a serum-based concealer, it blends very easily with my skin. And I personally like to use makeup products that have skincare properties in them, 2-in-1. I am using the Anastasia number 14 brush, and I'm going to take the spoolie size to brush out my brows first. Now I'm going to fill in my brows using the Benefit Curl Brow in shade number 3. I start off by drawing in the top of my brows to create my outer shape. Then I go in and fill in the middle, same for the other side. To keep all the hair in place, I'm going to apply my favorite brow gel from Glossier, the Boy Brow Gel. What I like about this brow gel is that it really keeps all the hair in place and it lengthens them without making it look too clumpy. Oh yes, time to do the eyeshadow. This is definitely my favorite part in my whole makeup routine. Today I'm going to use the Anastasia Prism palette. This color is called Unity. This is my go-to transition color, and I'm gonna put it all over my eyelids starting from my crease. Then I'm gonna add this peachy color called Eden, and I'm gonna build that on top of Unity. And the eyeshadow brush that I am using is the one that comes with the palette. I think it does the job for me, so that's the one that I normally use when I use this palette. Now I'm going to take Parallel and apply that on the outer corner of my eyes to create my smoky eye. The key is to have a light touch, so it will be a lot easier for you to build up the product and blend it out. And I will also apply parallel on the inner corner of my eyes. This is the Pearl Eye Polish in Silk. It is this really pretty rose gold color. And it comes with its own applicator, so I just take that and I'm gonna apply it on the middle of my eyelids. To blend this out, I'm gonna go in with Eternal from the Prism palette. After I apply all the colors that I want on my eyelids, I like to go back in and intensify my eyes if I feel like I want to do more. So I'm gonna go in and put more parallel on the outer corner of my eyes and also blend out the eyeshadow more with the color Eden. What you do to the top, you must do to the bottom. I'm gonna go in first with Eden, then with the darker color Parallel, and this will help connect the colors from the top to the bottom. The liquid liner I love to use is the Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Eye Pen. This is the one part I try not to rush because I'm so scared that my hand is gonna shake and I'm just gonna have to mess up my whole eye look and I have to restart that over again. I don't know if you also have the same fear, but this is definitely the part that I feel like can determine the fate of my eye look or something. Oh, also remember to apply the eye polish on the bottom of your eyes as well. On days when I wear more eyeshadow, I like to powder my face afterwards, so then I can dust off any excess eyeshadows that's been left on my face. This is my favorite powder to use by Hourglass. This is their Ambient Lighting Powder Collection in Diffuse Light. What I love about this powder is that it has shimmering particles in it, so when you stand under the sun, it's like your face kind of sparkles. The bronzer I'm using is also from Hourglass. This is called the Luminous Bronze Light. And I kind of like this powder for the same reasons as the diffuse light powder that I use to powder my face. It just leaves such a sun-kissed glow on your skin, which I love. And to contour my nose, I'm just going to pinch my brush and apply the product on each side of my nose. I feel like for this look, I'm really gravitating towards that shimmery, glowy look. The blush I'm using is from Benefit, their Dandelion blush. It's just such a nice shimmery pink color on your skin and it looks super natural. Now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Highlighter in Kilawatt. This one I'm using is from Urban Decay. I don't know if you guys also feel this way, but whenever I apply makeup spray, it just feels like it brings me back to life, like it wakes me up or something. I like to apply mascara after I've applied makeup spray, and this mascara is from Maybelline called the Falsies Volume Express. If we're doing this look and we're not on a time crunch, I like to look at my face and look for areas that I would want to retouch or apply more products in. If not, we're perfect and we're ready to go. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye!